How do you decide if the Millionaire Partner System matches your lifestyle? The answer starts with looking at what it's built to do. This program is designed for people who want a simpler way into affiliate marketing and high-ticket commissions. It gives you a pre-built funnels, automated email campaigns, and step-by-step training so you don't have to start from scratch. Think about your day-to-day life. Do you want to run a business from anywhere with just your laptop or phone? Do you like the idea of using automation and AI to save time? Are you willing to learn affiliate marketing and promote products you believe in? If most of your answer are yes, this system could be a great match. It's important to be realistic. Even with a done-for-you system, you'll need time, consistency, and perhaps some ad spend to scale. The good news is the system lowers the learning curve and helps you move faster. And to make it risk-free, the Millionaire Partner System comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it for yourself without worry. Click the link in my description to join the free web class today. It's the easiest way to see how the system works and decide whether it aligns with your lifestyle and goal.